This TikTok page and YouTube channel has gained over 1 million subscribers just by telling football stories with the help of artificial intelligence. I'm very confident saying this creator is earning $650 to $10,000 every single month in the TikTok Creator Reward Program with practically 30 minutes of work per day. Stay tuned and watch this video to the end. I'll be showing you the step-by-step process to create similar videos on your mobile phone for free. But first, let's see what we'll be creating.
One day, a young Cristiano Ronaldo made a promise to his mother, Maria Dolores, that he would always stay true to himself and his family, no matter the fame or fortune. He kept that promise, turning down lucrative endorsement deals and lavish lifestyle choices, and instead focused on his craft, becoming one of the greatest footballers of all time.
Without further ado, let's dive in. Our first step is to write a script for the video. To do this, go to ChatGPT and ask for football player stories. Use these examples to create engaging stories that start with a catchy line like "Did you know?" Keep it to one paragraph made of 50 words. I'll drop this prompt in the description below. Before you hit generate, head to YouTube and search for FC Motivate. Explore their content. Choose a video that interests you. Copy the video link, paste it to an online video transcriber and get the text. Then return to ChatGPT, paste the transcribed text and hit generate. That's it. Once you have your script ready, our next step is to generate the AI voiceover. For this, I recommend using 11 Labs. Head over to any browser and search for 11 Labs. Click on the link and create an account. If you already had one, sign in. Once you are set, hit the generate button and download the voiceover. The next step is to gather images for the video. Go to Google and search for images related to your topic. For example, if your video is about Cristiano Ronaldo, search for Cristiano Ronaldo images and download them to your device. Once you downloaded the images, listen to the voiceover and pick the images that best match the content. Make sure the images are relevant to the video topic. Before we proceed to the final part, if you haven't yet, please subscribe, share, comment, and drop a like. It costs you nothing and helps grow this awesome community. Thank you. Our final step is to edit the video using CapCut. First, open CapCut and click on a new project. To get to the editor screen of CapCut Mobile, you have to upload an image first. So once done, add the voiceover you downloaded from 11labs.io. Then remove any pauses by zooming in and cutting out any empty spaces. Then add the images from Google to the timeline, arranging them to match the voiceover so each image appears at the right time. Change the video ratio to 9:16 for a standard TikTok and YouTube Shorts frame and resize the images to fit the screen. To make the video more engaging, add transitions by clicking on transitions icon and overlay. Choose the transitions you prefer. Next, add some animations to give the video a polished look. Go to animations and click combo and apply it to every part of the video. To add background music, go to audio and import a track of your choice. Lower the music volume so it doesn't overpower the voiceover. For captions, click on the text icon and select auto captions. Choose your preferred language, then click generate. CapCut will automatically create captions for you. Go to captions section under the templates. Pick a style you like, then adjust the font size. I usually set it to 15 or 20 and scale it. Once finished, export the video. Now let's see what we've created so far.
One day, a young Cristiano Ronaldo made a promise to his mother, Maria Dolores, that he would always stay true to himself and his family, no matter the fame or fortune. He kept that promise, turning down lucrative endorsement deals and lavish lifestyle choices, and instead focused on his craft, becoming one of the greatest footballers of all time.